Hello everyone, this is E66, your underpaid, undertrained, undersure mechanic. On today's Subaru video, we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter because, you know, we got to keep our air clean in our Subarus for all our furry friends. So we're going to be using the micro guard from O'Reilly's HEPA filter 4113 HP. So let's get started. So it's going to be mostly freehand. So first we got to open our glove box. You don't have to take everything out of your glove box, but it makes my life a little easier. So all you need to do is push here and push here, and there's little clips. And that pops down, give it a little pressure. And up here is your cabin air filter. All right, Subaru owners, we're back. So you've got these little clips right here that you just got to push in, and this just pops off and it hinges right up here. So right here is the old cabin air filter, and we'll just slide it out. And as we can see, it's very dirty, full of crud, and our Subaru deserves clean air for us and our furry riders. I always like to make sure the new one fits like the old one does and looks similar, and this one fits perfectly. All right, we got our airflow going this way. And then we start feeding it into the cabin air filter housing. And it goes in right there. And then our clips go right here. Now I got to do this part with both hands, so give me a second. And now we got it all clipped on. Make sure that's all good right there. All right, so we just literally slide it up. These pop there. Function test it, and there you go. You've got a new cabin air filter on your Subaru. Have a good one. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.